Morning students. Today we are going to solve the questions based on Thales theorem. So student, question number 1, which are based on Thales theorem. This is a triangle, students, ABC, and line D is parallel to BC. It is given in given figure. AD equals to 2.75 centimeter, BD equals to 2 centimeter, A equal to 3.75 centimeter. Find EC if D is parallel to BC. So students, you can see in figure D is parallel to BC. It is given to us. So we can use Thales theorem. AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. So in triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. Using Thales theorem or BPT, you can say AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. In bracket, we can mention by BPT, basic proportionality theorem. Now we can put the values. AD value is given 2.75 centimeter. DB value is given 2 centimeter, student. AE value 3.75 centimeter. And we have to find out EC. So students, we have to do cross multiplication. 2.75 multiplied by EC and 2 multiplied by 3.75. So EC equals to 2 into 3.75 upon 2.75. Decimal after 2 digits. Here also decimal after 2 digits. That's why decimal both will be cancelled here. Now students, 2 into 375 upon 275. Both values are divisible by 5, students. So let us divide by 5. 7 5s are 35. So 5 7s are 35. 2 left, 2 of 5, 25. 5 5 is 25. Similarly here students, 5 has 25. 2 is remainder. 2 and 5, 25 again. So 5 5 is 25. Now again both of them are divisible by 5. So 5 11 ja, 5 1 ja 5, 5 1 ja 5. 5 1 ja 5. 2 is remainder. 2 and 5 25. And 5 5 is 25. Now students, both now student, EC equals to 2 into 15, 30 upon 11. So when we divide 30 by 11, we get 2.7272. It is non-terminating repeating decimal expression. So we can write its approx value. It is 2.727. This 7 can be supposed as 1 and it will be added in 2. So answer is 2.73 up to the places of up to 2 places of decimal. EC equals to 2.73 centimeter. Now take one more question related to Thales theorem, student. In given figure, AD equals to 4x minus 3 centimeter. DB equals to 3x minus 1 centimeter. AE equals to 8x minus 7 centimeter. EC equal to 5x minus 3 centimeter. And we have to find the value of x. It is given that D is parallel to BC. Okay students. So in triangle ABC, D is parallel to BC. Again, we can use here BPT. AD upon DB equals to AE upon EC. Let us put the value. In bracket we can mention by BPT, basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. So AD value 4x minus 3, DB 3x minus 1, AE 8x minus 7, EC 5x minus 3. Now we have to solve this equation. So we are going to use cross multiplication 4x minus 3 is multiplied by 5x minus 3, and 8x minus 7 is multiplied by 3x minus 1. So 4x is multiplied by 5x minus 3, minus 3 also multiplied by 5x minus 3, 8x multiplied by 3x minus 1, minus 7 also multiplied by 3x minus 1. Let us open the bracket. 4x into 5x, 20x square, 4x into minus 3, minus 12x, minus 3 into 5x, minus 15x, minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. 8x multiplied by 3x, 24x square, 8x multiplied by minus 1, minus 8x, minus 7 multiplied by 3x, minus 21x, minus 7 multiplied by minus 1, plus 7. Okay students. Now students, you can see here 20x square as it is. Both are like terms. Both have same sign. So both are added here. Minus 12 is minus 15x, minus 27x plus 9, 24x square, minus 8x minus 21x. Both have same sign. Both are like terms. Both are added here. Plus 7 as it is. So here 24x square, 20x square will transfer this side. This side 24x square is positive. So when it will transfer this side, its sign will be changed. 24x square minus 20x square, minus 29x as it is, and minus 27x transfer this side, become positive, plus 7 as it is, plus 9 transfer this side, become negative. So 24 minus 20, 4x square, minus 29x plus 27x, minus 2x, plus 7 minus 9, minus 2. 4x square minus 2x minus 2 equal to 0 student. You can see 2 is common here. 2x square minus x minus 1 equals to 0. Now students, we can factorize it by splitting the middle term. Minus 1 multiplied by 2, it is minus 2. We need minus 1x, minus 1, minus 2 into 1. So that's why I have written 2x square minus 2x plus x, minus 2x plus x, minus x, and minus 2 into 1. The product is coming minus 2. Okay students, minus 1 equals to 0. Now make pair, then take common. We can make pair here. In this pair 2x is common. What left here? X minus 1. What is the common here? Nothing. 1 we will take. What left? X minus 1. So both have x minus 1 as common. What left here? 2x plus 1. So x minus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 1. 2x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 1 upon 2. So x equal to minus 1 upon 2 is not possible. Why? When we put here x equals to minus 1 upon 2, then we get here minus 11, which is not possible. That's why the value of x should be 1. When we put 1, we are getting positive value. Here 1, here 2, here 1, and here 2. That's why our answer is x equals to 1. Okay friends, have a nice day.